Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. How are you? I hope you are in good condition today. Thank you for your attendance in today's event. We are from All-in-One Group. We'll be presenting about our English paper which discuss about optimizing code debugging using ChatGPT, a case study of software engineering technology students at IPB University. But before we move to the main topic, let me introduce ourselves. I'm Keysha Maulina Halimi as your presenter, and my teammates there are Torik Muhammad Pasha as moderator and Rizky Fadlur Rahman as operator. For this topic, we have five parts. There are introduction, research methods, purpose, finding and discussions, and the last one is conclusion. Recent advancement in AI have opened up many opportunities in software development. And as we may know, ChatGPT is the currently most popular AI. In the scope of software technology, students can even receive a programming related support such as assistance, suggestion, and also generating code from the scratch. But there is one thing that students who learning about programming nor even programmer itself can avoid. It's bugs. Bugs in computer code can causing many problems from minor to major. And debugging code is the process of finding and fixing these bugs. This process is a critical aspect and can be time consuming and also a complex task. And because of that, the existence of ChatGPT will certainly make it easier to debugging code. In the previous study, ChatGPT received 93% accuracy rate of its answer. However, some unnecessary lines of code may accompany the answer. And for this paper, we distributed a questionnaire to software engineering students at College of Vocational Studies of IPB University class of 2022. And we also conducted focus group discussions regarding the ChatGPT usage for the debugging process. We collected total 35 respondents and the data were processed using qualitative methods. The purpose of this research is to optimize the use of ChatGPT in debugging process for software engineering technology students at College of Vocational Studies of IPB University. After processing some data, there are few findings divided by five categories. First is about the accuracy of ChatGPT answers. About 56% of respondents found that ChatGPT answers were easy to understand. 20% of respondents found them very easy to understand. Another 20% of respondents considered that the answer were quite easy to understand, and only 4% of respondents found the answers difficult to understand. This shows that majority of students were satisfied with ChatGPT's answer. Next, ChatGPT can be used to provide suggestion and correction to code. In this research, most of respondents state that ChatGPT could help them in debugging process. With 56% of the respondents felt ChatGPT could help them to fix their bugs problems. 36% of respondents gave their answer that ChatGPT was very helpful in solving bugs in their program code. 4% of respondents answered that ChatGPT was quite helpful, and other 4% of respondents gave the answer that was not very helpful. Next findings are about the unanswered question from ChatGPT. We found out that 64% of respondents always receive answers that match their box problems. 32% of respondents felt that ChatGPT sometimes gave the answer that didn't match their problems. And only 4% of respondents felt that ChatGPT never gave the right answer regarding their problems. And for this paper, we also asked the respondents about other platforms that they were usually used beside ChatGPT. And here are the alternative platforms that can be used beside ChatGPT for debugging process. 28% of respondents use Stack Overflow to find answers to the bug's experience. Other 30% of respondents use GitHub. 6% of respondents state that they didn't use any other platform, which means they only use ChatGPT for debugging code. 3% of respondents each use another AI, such as Blackbox and Cloud AI, and another 1% of respondents each use web documentation, group discussion, or their own feelings. And after obtaining some data regarding respondent satisfaction with ChatGPT to solving bugs, we conclude that ChatGPT could assist students in solving bugs for their code. However, the answer provided by ChatGPT were not always correct. That's why, based on this research, here are 5 ways to optimizing the use of ChatGPT for debugging process. First, we have understanding ChatGPT limitations. Second, writing prompts or comments clearly and concisely. Third, understanding the bug's problems. Fourth, including the code snippets. And last but not least, is not making ChatGPT as the sole debugging tools. After doing this research, we conclude that ChatGPT is very helpful for students majoring software engineering technology at College of Vocational Studies of IPB University for debugging code. About 65% of respondents were satisfied with ChatGPT assistance that include accuracy answers, bug fixing, and also answer questions. With this paper, there are 5 ways to optimizing the use of ChatGPT, such as understanding its limitations, writing prompts or comments clearly and concisely, understanding the bug's problem, including the code snippet, and the last one is not making ChatGPT as the sole debugging tools. And that's all for this topic. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please kindly inform our group. Thank you everyone for your attention. Have a good day. See you again next time. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.